Get ready, Bitcoiners. The market is heating up with major moves and surprising alliances. We've got bulls charging ahead, the Fed on the brink of a massive decision, and even former presidents making waves in the crypto space. Plus, the global crypto market cap is hitting new heights and Bitcoin ATMs are popping up everywhere. Don't miss a single second of this action-packed Bitcoin bulletin. First up, Jim Wyckoff is spotting a bullish uptrend on the Bitcoin daily chart, signaling a potential price surge. Then, get ready for a potential Federal Reserve rate cut that could send Bitcoin soaring past $115,000, fueled by massive institutional inflows and corporate buying. We're talking about Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy and Metaplanet making huge moves. But wait, there's more. Donald Trump is making headlines, not as the Bitcoin president, but as the Stablecoin President, and we're diving deep into why that matters for the future of digital currency. And globally, the crypto market cap has exploded to a staggering $4 trillion, with Bitcoin ATMs seeing a massive surge, especially in the US. You won't want to miss these crucial updates. Hit that like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out. Bitcoin's bulls are back in charge. Get ready for some serious upward momentum because Jim Wyckoff is signaling a bullish uptrend on the Bitcoin daily chart. After meticulously analyzing the market for over 25 years, Wyckoff, a seasoned financial journalist and market analyst, has spotted the green shoots of recovery. This isn't just a minor blip. It's a clear indication that the bulls are starting to take control and are driving the price higher. Wyckoff, known for his deep dives into technical analysis and market trends, has a legendary track record, having covered every futures market in the US and previously working with Dow Jones Newswares and TraderPlanet.com. His insights are trusted by seasoned traders and agricultural advisors alike. Now, he's pointing to a specific pattern on the Bitcoin daily chart that suggests a sustained price increase is underway. This is the kind of signal that can set the market ablaze. This development is sending ripples of excitement through the crypto community, with many anticipating a significant price surge. Traders are eagerly watching to see how high this new uptrend can take Bitcoin, especially after recent market consolidations. Will this be the start of a new bull run? The charts are looking promising. Don't go anywhere, because what's happening with the Federal Reserve next week could be even bigger. And prepare for a deep dive into Donald Trump's surprising stance on stablecoins. Fed rate cut hopes ignite Bitcoin rally. Bitcoin is staging a strong comeback, hovering around $115,000 and climbing, as the market braces for a potential Federal Reserve rate cut. This surge isn't just a random spike. It's fueled by a powerful combination of massive institutional inflows into Bitcoin ETFs, which saw over $1.7 billion this week alone, and significant corporate accumulation. Think Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy, adding another 1,955 BTC, and Japan's Metaplanet increasing its holdings to over 20,000 BTC. The optimism is largely driven by recent U.S. economic data. The Producer Price Index, PPI, came in lower than expected, and while the Consumer Price Index, CPI, showed a slight uptick, the surge in weekly jobless claims points towards a cooling labor market. This scenario strongly suggests the Federal Reserve will likely cut interest rates at its upcoming meeting, with traders even pricing in a small chance of a larger 50 basis point move. Such a move would typically boost risk-on assets like Bitcoin. Adding to the bullish sentiment, stablecoin reserves on major exchanges like Binance have hit an all-time high, signaling substantial, dry powder, ready to be deployed into the market. Despite some lingering FUD and bearish signals in the options market, on-chain data suggests a potential bottom is forming, with fragile stabilization above key support levels. The weekly chart shows bullish momentum gaining traction, with the RSI pointing upwards, though traders remain cautious due to a lingering MACD bearish crossover. This confluence of institutional demand, corporate buying, and anticipated monetary easing has put Bitcoin on a recovery path, with eyes now set on the psychological $120,000 mark. The question on everyone's mind is, will this recovery hold and accelerate? But what does this mean for the broader political landscape of cryptocurrency? And how is the global crypto market cap reacting to all this activity. Trump declares himself the stablecoin president, not Bitcoins. Donald Trump made a splash at the 2024 Bitcoin conference, but his message wasn't what many expected. While he courted the crypto community, declaring "Hello Bitcoiners," and pledging to end the anti-crypto crusade, his true focus emerged: stablecoins. Trump is positioning himself not as the Bitcoin president, but as the stablecoin president, a move that has significant implications for the future of digital finance and the dominance of the US dollar. This shift in rhetoric is a stark contrast to his past skepticism. Remember his 2019 tweet calling Bitcoin "not money" and highly volatile. Now, backed by major tech figures like Elon Musk, David Sachs, and A16Z, Trump's campaign is embracing crypto, especially stablecoins. His administration swiftly reversed Biden's policies, freed Bitcoin pioneer Ross Ulbricht, and signed the Genius Act, creating a legal framework for stablecoins. This legislation, according to supporters, acts like a boot off the throat for the industry. However, the article argues that Trump's embrace of stablecoins, like Tether and PYUSD, is less about empowering Bitcoin's decentralized ethos and more about strengthening U.S. economic policy and the dollar's global hegemony. Stablecoins, backed by U.S. treasuries, expand the dollar's network effect and increase demand for U.S. debt, benefiting entities like Cantor Fitzgerald and even the Trump family's own crypto ventures. While stablecoins offer humanitarian benefits by providing access to dollar-based value in unstable economies, they fundamentally rely on trust in the issuing companies and are subject to U.S. regulatory influence, unlike truly decentralized Bitcoin. This strategy aims to bolster the dollar's dominance, potentially slowing down the hyper-Bitcoinization process that Bitcoin's core principles advocate for. Trump's focus on stablecoins is seen as a way to leverage the crypto trend for traditional financial power, making him the stablecoin president who champions an industry that supports U.S. economic policy and treasury debt. But is this the only major global financial shift happening right now? Get ready for the staggering numbers from the global crypto market cap and a look at Bitcoin ATM growth. Crypto market cap soars to $4 trillion as Bitcoin ATMs proliferate. The global cryptocurrency market is experiencing a monumental surge, with the total market capitalization now standing at an astounding $4 trillion. This massive expansion signifies a new era of mainstream adoption and investor confidence in digital assets. Adding to this bullish momentum, Bitcoin ATMs are experiencing a significant rise worldwide. The United States is leading the charge, boasting the highest number of Bitcoin ATMs with a staggering 30,806 installations. This widespread availability makes it easier than ever for everyday users to access and transact with Bitcoin, further cementing its place in the global financial landscape. This growth in both market cap and physical access points indicates a robust and expanding ecosystem, attracting both institutional and retail investors. The sheer scale of these numbers highlights the growing importance of cryptocurrencies as a significant asset class. Did you catch all those incredible updates? Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat on Bitcoin Bulletin. And that's a wrap on today's Bitcoin Bulletin. We saw bulls charging with Jim Wyckoff spotting an uptrend. The Federal Reserve is on the verge of a rate cut fueling Bitcoin's recovery past $115,000 with major institutional buys. Donald Trump is making waves as the stablecoin president. And the global crypto market cap has exploded to $4 trillion with Bitcoin ATMs booming. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Bitcoin Bulletin, hit that notification bell, comment your thoughts below, and follow us on all social media platforms for more. We'll see you next time.